Assalamu alaikum and very good morning to all of you. Now, as we all already discussed about the revision of the first chapter, okay, and all the topics we covered in the revision of the first chapter. Now today, I will repeat the same thing which I explained in our previous lecture. That means what? How you can locate the rational number on a number line. Okay. So one of the question from your exercise is given to you that represent -2 upon 11, -5 upon 11, -9 upon 11 on numbered line. Okay. Now how you can represent it? So first of all, just see all the three rational numbers they are in negative. That means what? They contain minus, minus, minus. That means what? You have to draw the number line in this. Now, as I already explained you that if the negative rational number or a negative number is there, okay, so locate 0 here in this. Why? Because the negative numbers are on the left side of 0. That's why this part after the left side of the 0. मैंने यहाँ एक बड़ी लाइन ली है, ओके, अंडरस्टैंड हो? नाउ आफ्टर दैट जस्ट चेक द नंबर 2 upon 11. Don't think about the minus, okay? Just check 2 upon 11, 5 upon 11, and 9 upon 11, and use the same method which I explained you, that denominator and the numerator. Compare both of them. If denominator is greater than the numerator, that means what? The number lies between 0 and so here it is a negative number, so it is a -1. Okay. Now after that I explained you that between 0 and -1, how many parts you have to make? So on the basis of the denominator, just check the denominator. It is 11, 11, 11. So you have to make how many parts? Equal parts. That is 11 equal parts. Understand? So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 and 11. Understand? Okay. Now give the empty number on the basis of 1, 2, 3. That is -1 upon 11, -2 upon 11, -3 upon 11, -4 upon 11, -5 upon 11, -6 upon 11, -7 upon 11, -8 upon 11. Lastly, nothing, that is -1, that is equals to what? -11 upon 11. Understand? Okay. Now -2 upon 11, that is this. Another one, -5 upon 11, then -9. Understand? So you can show a rational number in this way. Okay. I already explained you how you can locate the rational, you can represent the rational number on a number line. So what is the actual method to represent it? Understand? Now furthermore, yes, now in the next topic, you have to find the rational numbers between two rational numbers, okay? And how to find a rational number between two rational numbers? So it is very easiest method, and this method you already learned in the fraction also, okay? So what we have to do, just here one of the questions from your exercise is that find 10 rational numbers between -2 upon 5 and 1 upon 2. Okay, so you have to find the rational number between both of them. Okay, -2 upon 5 and 1 upon 2. Okay, now in order to find the rational numbers between both of them, so which is the easiest method? We have to follow the easiest method in order to find the rational numbers between both of the rational numbers. Understand? So what is the easiest? So in that method, you have to obtain the same denominator of both of the rational numbers. What? You have to multiply by any of the number in such a way that you can obtain same denominator. Okay. So just see here, or you can also do another method. That is what? You have to multiply first denominator with the second denominator and second denominator with the first denominator. So that will be easier for you to obtain the same denominator. Understand? So here I have to obtain the same denominator. multiply any number, so you must have to multiply with the numerator as well as the denominator. Understand or not? So that will never change a given rational number or a given fraction. जो भी आपको दिया गया है उसमें कोई वेरिएशन नहीं आएगा, वो जो है वही के वही रहेगा. Understand or not? Okay. So I am multiplying 2 with both the denominator and the numerator of the first number. So minus 2 upon 5 multiply by 2 and multiply by 2 means you have to multiply 2 with the denominator and the numerator both. So what will I obtain? So 2 2s are 4, so it is minus 4 upon 5 2s are 10. Understand or not? Now the same thing you have to do with the second rational number, that is 1 upon 2. तो 1 upon 2 के साथ हम क्या multiply करेंगे? That is 5. So therefore 1 upon 2 multiply by 5 and multiply by 5. So what we are obtaining? Listen here, in this method we have to obtain the rational number between both of the rational number without the number line. Understand or not? There are basically two methods to obtain the rational numbers between two rational numbers by a number line and without the number line. Understand or not? Okay. So 5 ones are 5 and 2 5s are 10. So listen here, please. When I am cancelling 2 and 2 from both, that is the numerator denominator, I will obtain the same. इसको सिंप्लीफाई करूंगा तो भी माइनस 2 अपॉन 5 ही मिलेगा. इसको सिंप्लीफाई करूंगा तो मुझे 1 अपॉन 2 ही मिलेगा. अंडरस्टैंड हो? ओके. सो व्हाट वी आर ऑब्टेनिंग हियर? minus 4 upon 10 and 5 upon 10. So which are the other rational numbers between both of them? Okay. So दोनों के बीच में कौन से rational number? Okay. So just see, here it is a negative number. Okay. So you have to go from negative to positive. That means what? Here it is minus 4 upon 10. So what will be greater number than minus 4 upon 10? Means कौन सा rational number minus 4 upon 10 से बड़ा होगा? Why? Because you have to move from negative to positive. Understand or not? और you can move from positive to negative. अगर negative से positive की ओर जाते हो तो आपको greater value लेकर आगे बढ़ना है, और अगर positive से negative की ओर rational number लिखते हो तो आपको smaller value से आगे बढ़ना है. तो देखो minus 4 upon 10. So which will be the next rational number which is greater than minus 4 upon 10? That is nothing, that is minus 3 upon 10. Then after that minus 2 upon 10. Then after that minus 1 upon 10. Then after that 1 upon 10. So all these rational numbers are between these two rational numbers. Okay. So the 10 rational numbers between what? Minus 2 upon 5 and 1 upon 2 are. So start. Okay. Why I am converting or why I am changing means दोनों के सेम डिनोमिनेटर लाने का रीजन क्या है कि आपके पास एक इजी मेथड मिल गया जिससे आप इजीली लिख सकते हो, जस्ट इन अ डिक्रीजिंग ऑर्डर और इन इंक्रीजिंग ऑर्डर. अंडरस्टैंड और नॉट? ओके. सो इट इज minus 4 upon 10. ओके. सो इट इज नॉट काउंटेड. ये तो हमारा एंड पॉइंट. इसके बाद वाला नंबर मिलेगा इट इज minus 3 upon 10. Another one you can write it in any form. I can write in the comma method also, or this sign you can use the sign of less than also. Okay. Now next one is which one? After that minus 2 upon 10, then minus 1 upon 10, then 1 upon 10, then next one 2 upon 10, yes, then 3 upon 10, then 4 upon 10, then the last one that is 5 upon 10. Okay. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay. So in order to obtain a greater number, yes, now just see here. Now I am writing in this method. Okay. So here I am obtaining how many rational number? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, including 0, that is 8. Okay. But then also मुझे तो चाहिए यहाँ 10, but here I am obtaining how much? Only 7 to 8 rational numbers. Okay. Now if I want to increase more rational numbers, so what I will do? Okay. So I will change these rational number by multiplying the same number in the denominator and in the numerator. Suppose I am multiplying it by 2 and 2. Understand or not? And the same will be here, that is 2 and 2. So what I will obtain? एंड इफ पॉसिबल कन्वर्जन करने के बाद जो मैंने अभी रेशनल नंबर लिए हैं, ट्राई टू राइट इन द प्रोडक्ट. ओके, सो दैट विल बी easier for you to obtain that whether you are obtaining that 10 numbers of the rational numbers or not. 10 रेशनल नंबर मिलते हैं कि नहीं. अगर नहीं मिलते हैं तो ये मेथड फॉलो करना है. एक और नंबर है, इसको मल्टीप्लाई करना इन द न्यूमरेटर एंड इन द डिनोमिनेटर. ओके, you can multiply it with any number. It depends on how much numbers you have to obtain. So that will give you how much. 4 2s are 8 and 10 2s are how much? 20. Understand? And here 5 2s are 10 and 10 2s are 20. Now I will write and I will check that whether we are obtaining 10 rational number or not. Understand? Okay, so method will be the same to write the number. So after minus 8 upon 20, what is that? Is minus 7 upon 20. Then minus 6 upon 20. Then minus 5 upon 20. Then next one minus 4 upon 20. Then next one minus 3 upon 20. Then next one minus 2 upon 20. Then next one minus 1 upon 20. Then next one 0. Then next one 1 upon 20. Then 2 upon 20. Then 3 upon 20. How much? 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11. Okay, so that is what we are obtaining here. Much more numbers of the rational numbers. Understand? But we have only take only 10 rational. सिर्फ हमें 10 ही बताना है, आपको सिर्फ 10 ही बताना है. Understand? Okay, so this is the method to obtain a rational numbers between two rational numbers without a number line. Okay, अच्छे तरीके से समझ लो. देखो पहले मैंने क्यों दोनों ही डिनोमिनेटर से मल्टीप्लाई किया है? Why? Because both of the rational numbers having different denominator. Okay, so it will be tough for you to write rational numbers between these two rational numbers. So पहले स्टेप में मैंने क्या किया? दोनों का डिनोमिनेटर इक्वल कर दिया. After that I try to write the rational numbers between both of them. But then also I am not obtaining that much rational numbers which is given in the question. So what I will after that what I will do, I will multiply the numerator and denominator of both of the rational number by any other number also, that is by 2. So here I am obtaining these two rational numbers. Now it will be easier for me to write the rational numbers between both of these two rational numbers. Listen here please. 8 upon 20 minus 4 upon 10 and minus 2 upon 5. All the three rational numbers are equal. Understand or not? Okay, means if you simplify 8 upon 20, you will obtain minus 2 upon 5. If you are simplifying minus 4 upon 10, you will obtain minus 2 upon 5. The same answer. Understand or not? So this is the method to find a rational numbers, any of the number of the rational numbers between two of the rational numbers. Understand or not? Okay, now yes, now the last question and the last information, that is write 5 rational numbers greater than minus 2. Only one value is given to you, that is equal to how much? Minus 2. सिर्फ minus 2 ही दिया गया है. So on the basis of that, how you can write the rational numbers greater than minus 2. Okay, so in this question you can take any other number which is greater than minus 2. Suppose I am taking 2, the number which is greater than minus 2. First of all, I will write minus 2 in a rational form. That is, so instead of minus 2, I can write it as minus 2 upon 1 also. Understand or not? Okay. So what I will do? Multiply with numerator and 2 with the numerator and with the denominator. And another number I am taking 2. So 2 upon 1, that is multiplying with 2 and 2 with the denominator. So here how much I will obtain? That is 2 2s are 4 minus 4 upon 2, and here I will how much I will obtain? That is 4 upon 2. Now you have to write a number between these two. Okay, listen here please. यहाँ मैंने क्या किया हुआ है? minus 2 ही हमें दिया गया है, तो minus 2 को पहले रेशनल फॉर्म में कन्वर्ट करता हूँ. That I can write minus 2 upon 1. Now what I will do? I will multiply with any number. You can multiply with any number. Okay, suppose I am multiplying with 2. Okay, why I am multiplying with 2? Because it fulfill to write the answer. Okay, so minus 2 multiplied by 2 upon 1 multiplied by 2. So here I am obtaining minus 4 upon. Understand or not? Now here another number which is greater than minus 2. Okay, you can take any other number also. You can take 3, 4, 5, 6, 9. Not minus 1. Why? Because it is possible to obtain a number between minus 2 and minus 1. दोनों के बीच के अंदर भी आपको बहुत से रेशनल नंबर इजीली मिल सकते हैं. But then also I am taking 2 here. So मैंने 2 लिया हुआ है. I can write it as 2/1. Now multiply it with 2 and divide it by 2. Means numerator को 2 से multiply किया और denominator को 2 से multiply किया. So let me I am obtaining 4/2. Understand or not? Now what I have to do? I have to write a rational number between these two rational numbers. That is minus 4/2 and plus 4/2. And how much I have to write a rational number? Only 5 rational numbers. So the rational numbers between rational numbers greater than minus 2 are. So which are the rational numbers? So as I explained you, start with this one, minus 4/2. So I will not take minus 4/2, I will take it as minus 3/2. Now after next one it is after minus 3/2, I will take minus 2/2. Then after that minus 1/2. All these numbers are greater than minus 2. Keep this in mind. Okay. Then after 0 also you can take. Then after next 1/2. Then after 2/2. Then after 3/2. Then after, okay, you don't have to take the last one. That is the 4/2. So here you see, I am obtaining more than 5. That is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 rational numbers. Understand? So you can write any 5 also, or you can write the 7 rational numbers also. So this is the answer of one of your questions from the exercise. Understand? So in this way, this is the completion of the revision of the first chapter. Okay. Listen here, please. This is the method to obtain a rational number between two of the rational numbers. And another thing, okay, that if you have to write the rational numbers between two rational numbers on the basis of the number line, I already explained you. Number line में किस तरह rational numbers लिखना है वो मैंने आपको अच्छे तरीके से बताया है. Suppose आपको दिया गया लिखा find the rational numbers between 0 and minus 1. Okay, so you can write any of the numbers which has मैंने जिस तरह 11 parts बनाए इस तरह आप 11 parts बनाकर -1/11, -2/11, -3/11, minus. So all these numbers, all these rational numbers are between 0 and minus 1. Understand or not? So the method is same and very easy. Okay, you can write on the basis of the number line also, or without number line you can write the rational numbers between two rational numbers. Understand or not? So this is the completion of the revision of the first chapter. Please practice much more and more at your home. Okay, thank you.